Hey guys, here's my Lasko Model 2000, and I actually did put the blade from the newer fan onto this one. And yes, you guessed it, I did swap the blades out. I did put the original blade from this fan onto the newer one, which is this one right here. This one actually has the tan, like, beige blade, whatever it is. I have the white blade on it. I'm gonna start it up here on low, see what we get. The oscillation works really well too. Let's go to medium. And high. It is actually a much better balance with this blade though. And here's off. Time to test the newer one. So, thanks for watching. Peace.